I wake up at 5 a.m. I wake up at 5 a.m. I stretch my body for a few minutes. I stretch my body for a few minutes. I drink a glass of warm water. I drink a glass of warm water. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. I take a shower. I take a shower. I apply moisturizer on my face. I apply moisturizer on my face. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I get dressed for the day. I get dressed for the day. I do light makeup. I do light makeup. I go to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. I go to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I usually have toast and juice for breakfast. I usually have toast and juice for breakfast. I check my phone for messages and emails. I check my phone for messages and emails. I pack my bag for work. I pack my bag for work. I wear my shoes and get ready to leave. I wear my shoes and get ready to leave. I leave my house at 8 a.m. I leave my house at 8 a.m. I take a bus to work. I take a bus to work. I listen to music on the way. I listen to music on the way. I reach my workplace at 9 a.m. I reach my workplace at 9 a.m. I start my work at 9:30 a.m. I start my work at 9:30 a.m. I attend meetings. I attend meetings. I complete my assignments. I complete my assignments. I discuss projects with my colleagues. I discuss projects with my colleagues. I take a short tea break at 11 a.m. I take a short tea break at 11 a.m. I work on my tasks until lunchtime. I work on my task until lunchtime. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I eat rice, vegetables and curd for lunch. I eat rice, vegetables and curd for lunch. I take a short walk after lunch. I take a short walk after lunch. I return to my work tasks. I return to my work tasks. I finish my work by 5 p.m. I finish my work by 5 p.m. I leave for home. I leave for home. I take the bus back home. I take the bus back home. I reach home at 6 p.m. I reach home at 6 p.m. I change into comfortable clothes. I change into comfortable clothes. I wash my face. I wash my face. I have a cup of coffee. I have a cup of coffee. I watch TV for a while. I watch TV for a while. I go for a walk in the park. I go for a walk in the park. I check social media. I check social media. I chat with my friends. I chat with my friends. I start preparing dinner at 8 p.m. I start preparing dinner at 8 p.m. I eat dinner with my family. I eat dinner with my family. I help clean up after dinner. I help clean up after dinner. I watch a movie or read a book. I watch a movie or read a book. I check my phone for messages. I check my phone for messages. I prepare my things for the next day. I prepare my things for the next day. I change into my nightwear. I change into my nightwear. I, I brush my teeth before sleeping. I brush my teeth before sleeping. I set my alarm for the next morning. I set my alarm for the next morning. I switch off my phone. I switch off my phone. I lie down and relax. I lie down and relax. I think about my day. I think about my day. I close my eyes and sleep by 11 p.m. I close my eyes and sleep by 11 p.m.